Welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. We're here at Spotify Camp Nou on an absolutely perfect day. Pleasant temperatures with no extreme heat or cold, and completely calm with no wind. The stadium buzzes with activity across multiple active construction phases, creating an incredibly dynamic worksite atmosphere. With no match scheduled until Sunday, work continues at full capacity today. Before we start, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's completely free and helps us bring these daily updates. Starting at Tribuna, upper sandwich panels are installed on the left structure with different sequencing. Work began at top levels rather than bottom. The structure in front of sandwich panels matches lateral and south goal patterns. Workers apply treatments to tube connections at block walls. The concrete pump operates performing pouring operations in VIP zones. Substantial painting requirements remain throughout, with beams and anchors requiring anti-corrosive coatings. The official store diamond shows all glass panels now complete. The 3 upper door panels and 3 additional panels are fully installed. Workers position metal strips above frames, preparing electrical systems. South goal shows crane operations lifting material to the first cantilever level. Prefabricated seating advances rapidly. Completion expected within 1 to 1.5 weeks. Slat installations continue with false ceiling section nearly complete. The left row reaches final positions touching stadium pillars, while right side requires additional installations. Workers paint black beams before slat arrival, preventing ceramic contamination. Prefabricated seating movement is visible in north goal, where crews are stockpiling seating components in upper zones rather than the expected south goal location. Workers are present throughout the 3rd cantilever level, the level 80 platform, with substantial crew numbers operating across this elevation. Workers are even testing the newly installed seating near the access tunnels. The 3rd-tier seating bowl is practically closed, with nearly all seating installed, though a small section still remains, requiring a few more days of work. Moving to lateral shows the structures in front of sandwich panels, now complete, matching south goal and Tribuna installations, though front barrier railings remain pending. Red fire suppression tubes position for ceiling installations. 3 compression ring pillars remain staged below, with radial beam and phalanges ready for upcoming installations. That wraps up today's update from Spotify Camp Nou. Construction continues progressing across Tribuna, lateral, north goal, and south goal, with seating, slats, and structural work advancing steadily. Subscribe to MegaVerse Builds to follow the transformation daily, and stay tuned for the next exciting stadium construction update.